Are you looking for an amazing camp to send your amazing kids to this summer?
Well, you don't want your child to miss out on this camp. This summer, the Brooklyn North Sunday Adventist Youth Federation
And the Daily Smith STEM.
are bringing to you a STEM camp for grades K to 8.
We are looking forward to sharing science, technology, engineering, and math with you through drones, robotics, rollerskating and math, and the one and only Electric City program right here in Brooklyn, New York.
But what? We must not forget music.
Music and math program is such that we're blending music and mathematics with our one and only music and mathematics sticker book for students who are beginning to understand how math and music work together.
So you definitely don't want to miss out on this.